Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. In today's video, I will be talking about a new perfume brand that I have discovered recently. It is recently launched in India. It is an Indian perfume house called as Velvere. Now, Velvere perfumes are available at Instagram and that's where I explored them. And I saw that they have come up with the first launch, which is called the First Verse. And they have 3 perfumes in their first verse. Now Velvere fragrances are made up of 25% of perfume oil concentration. So these work really well. They are very potent. The performance is amazing. Great sillage and longevity. So overall, the quality is just top notch. Also, these are quite affordable. They are available in 15 ml and each perfume is priced for 495 rupees. And on discount, you are likely to get them at around 395. So let's begin with the video. Before I do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. The first perfume that I want to talk about and is my personal favorite. This one is called as Candy Pop Luxe. Now this is how the perfume bottle looks like, and a sticker here that says Candy Pop Luxe, and there you can see the juice, and this is the cap, and it pop opens to reveal the atomizer is really good quality and diffuses the product really well, as you can see here. Now talking about the scent profile on this one, this is a very bubblegummy, candied, fruity, sweet, sugary sweet, slight bit spicy kind of a fragrance. So I can say that this is like a sweet gourmand fragrance in my opinion. I definitely get a lot of freshly cut juicy red apple mixing up with some berries. On that you have poured some crystal sugar, some sprinklers, some sugar syrup, and you've added like a dash of cinnamon on top, and then you're like eating it. So it's that kind of a bubblegummy sort of a fragrance. I think it definitely has tuberose playing in the background. That's where the bubblegumminess is coming from. Cinnamon is adding on to that spiciness. It literally feels like a candied fruit, like a bubblegummy candied fruit perfume. Although the whole explanation may feel like it may be very juvenile, but no, because of the spiciness running in the background and the bubblegummy tuberose, this actually is kind of like a mature, sweet gourmand fragrance. I just love the scent profile on this one, and this is super projective. It projects the whole day, literally the whole day you will get the wisp of this beautiful fragrance. And this is something that I love wearing during daytime. It's a very playful, flirty, youthful kind of a fragrance that I absolutely enjoy, especially when I'm wearing western wear. This just goes really well with that. So a very bubbly personality is what I see this perfume as. So I've been wearing this a lot lately and enjoying this. Get about 8+ hours of longevity on this one. Sillage and projection is loud. Overall gets a 20 out of 10. So the next perfume is Lavender Cream. Now this is how Lavender Cream looks like, and Lavender Cream is kind of like a twisted sister of YSL Leap, but with some creaminess and some butter creamy notes added and more sweeter nuances added to this one. I absolutely love this fragrance. It smells rich but also smells very sweet. So this one has like white florals mixing up with some lavender, mixing up with vanilla, some whipped cream, and some butter creaminess to it. And my god, this is addictive. This is unique. And despite me having YSL Leap, I'm actually gravitating more towards this fragrance because it's a unique lavender fragrance. It's calming, it's buttery, it's creamy, it is sweet, and it literally smells like lavender cream. It has this thoda sa lotion like quality to it, and it is very comforting. Okay, I love this one. I really wish that they would make lotions also, so that I could layer it with this one, but loving it. Very relaxing, very beautiful. Again, gives me around 8+ hours of longevity, and projection in sillage is good on this one. It's kind of good to loud, I should say. Based on the number of sprays that you go with, this kind of creates a good scent bubble around me. It's a very calming, very relaxing sort of a fragrance. Between these two, I'm really confused which one I should say that is my favorite, because the first time I tried this one, I was like, I found the one. But then I tried this one and then I was like, this is also very nice. So I'm very confused which one should take the number 1 spot. So I will leave that as open-ended. And we will move on to the last perfume that I have. And this one is called as Rainwood Mist. Now, Rainwood Mist is kind of like, aromatic, slight woody, slight spicy, a very citrusy, freshy, rainforesty kind of a fragrance, which is quite aromatic in nature. And this one, something which you can wear it during daytime. I also kind of get like a hint of citruses meeting some moss. So a very realistic, aquatic, marine, mossy, citrusy, green, woody fragrance in my opinion. Literally feels like dewdrops on a wooden log which is like lying in the forest, and maybe some river is passing underneath it. That kind of a situation, which is very natural, very earthy, very herbal. I think herbal was the word that I was waiting for. Yeah, very natural herbal kind of a scent profile. And this is something that does really well when you're going to office or when you're working, like doing your daytime chores. I think this is very good freshy for your daytime. This also for some reason is a very relaxing fragrance in my opinion, and kind of very earthy and mature. You know, just this fragrance alone, when I sniff it, I feel that a person who's like very calm and very grounded and very nurturing sorts will wear something like this. Like, it kind of reminds me of Mother Earth. Like, if Mother Earth would wear a perfume, she will wear this. Yeah, sometimes my imagination does wild things, and yeah, this is like into the wild basically. But love this scent profile as well. It's very unique, freshy, and a green fragrance. Gives me a longevity of 6 to 7 hours, and projection and sillage is good. It's not very loud, it's kind of good. So those were the 3 Velvety fragrances, and I am super impressed, and these deserve the hype that they have not gotten yet. And these are Indian brands, you guys, and you know, they are doing really well. And you know, like, these are good Indian brands that you should invest and try and see if you like the scent profiles or not, because they are doing something unique which even designer fragrances could not. So give it a thought. These are really inexpensive and they work really well. So I'm super impressed with this brand, and I'm very happy to be exploring more. Well, I forgot that I was wearing earrings. Alright, so that brings us to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this one, and if you did, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, do all the good stuff. Follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye!